Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get dark theme on Wattpad. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Wattpad. First, log into your Wattpad account on your browser. You might notice that the settings don't include a dark theme option, but don't worry, there's a simple fix. You'll need to install a Chrome extension called Night Eye. Open a new tab, go to the Chrome Web Store, and search for Night Eye. Click on the extension, then hit Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. Once installed, it will notify you that Night Eye is ready. Now revisit Wattpad and refresh the page. You'll see it in Sleek Dark Mode. Turn it off anytime. Just click the puzzle icon in the top right, select Night Eye, and hit the power button. That's it. You've got Wattpad and Dark Mode for a more comfortable reading experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.